Welcome to the Early Birds classes. Be school ready. In this mathematics class for class 3, we are going to learn fraction. This is part 1. So, what is fraction? When we divide anything into equal parts, each part is called fraction of the whole. Suppose we have pizza and it is equally distributed into 6 parts. So each part is 1/6 of whole pizza. So this is pizza and it is distributed into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So each part, suppose this one will be what? 1/6 of whole pizza, right? So similarly, if an apple is divided into 2 halves, so each half will be 1/2. Apple is divided into 2 parts, so 2 equal parts. So this half is called, this half will be 1/2 and this half will be 1/2, right? Now when an object is divided into 2 parts, then each part will be 1/2. So in this case, this is circle, and if this is divided into 2 parts, so this is 1/2 and this is 1/2. Similarly, if this is a square and this is divided into 2 parts, so in this case this is 1/2, right? This can be divided by any way, like this may be like this may be like this. So this is 1/2, here this is 1/2. Similarly, this is a triangle and this is equally divided, so this is 1/2. Now if an object is equally divided into 3 parts, then each part will be 1/3 of whole. So here this is divided equally in 3 parts, so each part will be 1/3. In rectangle, same case, if it is divided into 3 parts, and so this part will be what? 1/3. So this is 1/3 actually. So this one is shaded, this is 1/3. And what about unshaded? So here there are 2 unshaded parts. Unshaded part 2. So it will be what? 2/3 of whole, right? Because there are 3 parts and out of 3 there are 2 unshaded parts. So this as a whole is 2/3, and here this unshaded part is also 2/3. Now similarly, if an object is divided into 4 equal parts, then each part will be 1/4. Here circle is divided into 4 equal parts. So this shaded part will be 1/4 of total circle, right? And this one is shaded, and unshaded will be 3/4. Here there are 3 unshaded parts, right? Similarly, if this one is shaded here in this square, and this is also equally divided into 4 parts, so shaded part will be 1/4 and unshaded will be 3/4, right? Now this is rectangle. This is also divided into 4 equal parts, right? Suppose this one is shaded, so it will be 1/4 and remaining unshaded part will be 3/4, right? Fractions as collections. Suppose we have a set of 18 balls and we have divided equally into 3 parts. So we have to find out how many balls are there in each part, right? So we have divided lot into 3 parts, so each part will be 1/3, right? So we have to actually calculate what is the 1/3 of 18, right? So it will be 18 divided by 3, so it is 6. So each part will have 6 balls, and see here, what is that? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Now in try yourself section, there are 2 structures, and structures are equally divided. Here it is divided into 5 parts, and here it is divided into 8 parts. Here 1 part is shaded, and here 3 parts are shaded. So you have to find out what are the shaded parts and unshaded part. Try yourself and post your answer in comment. In next video, we are going to discuss different types of fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions, and we will also see addition and subtraction of fractions. So see you in that video. Bye bye.